This encouraging message about your love life is being sent to you by your angels. Your romantic life is reaching its pinnacle. The time has come for you to find true love. If you're currently single, you deserve a bit of a wait and to practice patience along the way. You received assistance from the universe during those years, allowing you to heal and rebuild your faith. You must develop self confidence. You need to listen to what your heart is saying. It almost serves as the key to everything. It emits positive energy that helps you attract prosperity and miracles into your life. A new chapter in your life is beginning for you. Get up and look for the good in everything you do every day, and everything you want will come to you naturally. The universe is so kind and generous that it is working behind the scenes to figure out what would be the ideal job and opportunities you would truly enjoy bringing to you. Be delighted to get it. It's closer than you might think right now. In this universe, anything is possible. Wait for their unexpected miracle to reveal the chance for you to work smarter and then become richer. This is a sign that you will soon embark on a new project or begin a part-time job. Keep up the good work. One day, the things you have been wishing for will come true for you if you remain focused on achieving your goal. To manifest your highest aspirations, immerse yourself constantly in the forces of unwavering love. Best luck. Never undervalue the power of positive affirmations for yourself if you're having self doubt. Your thoughts are read and heard by the universe, so whatever you are radiating will be freely given to you. Keep a positive attitude and benefit from your abilities by utilizing your strengths, talents, and skills. Enjoy yourself soon because you'll soon be reunited with your true love. Trust that you will enjoy yourself and your person at this reunion. Together, the two of you will always make decisions, and you two will experience each other's emotions. You two are destined to be together, and you will always know that everything will work out for you and go smoothly, just as if the universe had carefully planned everything for the two of you. Have faith that your day will be lovely and filled with love and laughter together.